This is a nice machine in every other way, but the vibrations make the cups, no matter how big, how small, they slowly slide off and they go onto the floor. The cups break, the coffee spills out all over the place, and I have to keep remembering to slide it back in. If I forget, then I'm toast. I also have to remember to tell all our guests that come in to make coffee that you have to put a barrier around it. It's just a hassle, and I forget sometimes. So this is the only thing wrong with it, but it's a big issue and it shouldn't be.
Let's make a cup of espresso. I'm going to pull the tab, insert a capsule, pull down the tab, push the button on the right, which is the larger cup. The water has already been heated in advance. Here is the milk frother, and here are my older machines, which I've had for a while.